In this video, I'll show you how to A/B test sequences in HubSpot so you can compare different email versions and improve your outreach performance. A/B testing in sequences works at the email step level, allowing you to test variations like subject lines, messaging, or calls to action. To begin, sign into your HubSpot account and go to the left menu, then click Sales and select Sequences to access your automated outreach. Choose the sequence you want to test, ideally one with consistent activity so you can gather meaningful data. Open the sequence and go to the Steps tab, then locate the email step you want to test. Click the option to add A/B test, which will create a second version of that email. Your original email becomes version A, and you'll select or create version B as the variation. It's generally recommended to change only one element at a time so you can clearly measure what impacts performance. After setting up both versions, review your sequence settings and start enrolling contacts. HubSpot will automatically split traffic between the two versions. Monitor results over time to see which performs better. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.